I'm super impressed with the Recording Connection. I'm super impressed with the people. I'm super impressed with the mission. If I had known about this program when I was getting started, or if this program had existed when I was getting started, I would absolutely run to it. Like, it is completely exciting, and I would be totally amped on this. I wish that this were available to me when I was starting out. The ability to have a program where I could have this concentrated course of study and then know that I was going to work with someone who knew what they were doing in real settings, and I could actually dig into that and make my own way, like, that's huge. When I went to school, I didn't know coming out of it what I would do. I had to go find internships. I had to work for free for over a year before I found a paying job, which was very difficult. But man, if I could have gone into a program that I knew I could start somewhere and 9 months later I'd be in a studio in New York or Nashville or LA working on actual records, forget it, man. That would be a no-brainer.